Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 想 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Without further ado, let's write. 想想 to think, to want. 想到 to think of. 想到 to think of. Now check this sentence. In every beginning, think of the end. In every beginning, think of the end. The end. 凡事开头时就要想到它的后果。凡事开头时就要想到它的后果。后果。凡事开头时就要想到它的后果。凡事开头时就要想到它的后果。In every beginning, think of the end. 凡事开头时就要想到它的后果。My casual handwriting on the character 想。想 to think, to want. 想到 to think of. In every beginning, think of the end. 凡事开头时就要想到它的后果。想。Please comment any words or sentence with the character 想. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.